All right, Techno Studs, we've done quite a bit of troubleshooting already. Let's do another one of those. One thing I want to mention as you're doing this troubleshooting, there are a lot of different ways that you could go through for this troubleshooting. But the important thing is to take a logical step-by-step approach to figuring out what the issue is. I've seen some chaos that happens when it comes to troubleshooting where people just try different things and see what they can do to try to make it work, and it becomes very chaotic. So just making sure that you approach it in a logical way is the most important thing. All right, so as I've done with my prior videos, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ping our demo Pi 1, so 10.1.10. And it is 21. So not surprisingly, this is going to fail out. So I might as well stop this because I know it's gonna fail out. All right, then we go back and I, once again, like to start out with the closest and work my way through the network to see where the issue is. If it was a very large network, I'd probably do the divide and conquer method. But this small network like this, I prefer going the just step by step through it. So can I ping switch 2? Yes, I can. Can I ping switch 1? Yes, I can. Can I ping switch 3? Yes, I can. So all of those are pingable. I'm able to get to each one of those. Maybe something is wrong with switch 3 and the way it's configured. Maybe there's something wrong with my demo Pi. So I'm gonna bring up the switch 3 now. I'm going to do show IP interface brief and take a look at that port and see what it's doing. Port 21 is in fact up. So then I'm going to do a show run, and specifically for that interface FA021, hit enter, and I can see right away this is the wrong VLAN. So wrong VLAN, I am going to ping, do that continuous ping once again. I'll go in and fix this, so configure terminal. I'm going to go into interface FA021, and we're going to assign it to, I like to just highlight that once again, hit right click, and it creates a copy of that, and we're going to assign it to VLAN 10. And as we've seen prior, this doesn't come up right away, so we're going to give this a little bit of time, and then we should see this come up. All right, and we are now pinging, so we are good to go. We'll check this one off the list, and we can call it solved.